Hey friends, welcome back to Medicinal Monday. If you're wired but tired and spending a small fortune on store-bought probiotic sodas or kombucha just to help your gut, I've got a secret. You can make this, which tastes exactly like your favorite grape soda, for pennies at home. And it's not just soda, it's a tiny hint of safety for your gut and your nervous system. I'm also waiting for my fresh ginger to come because I don't have any and I ordered it and it keeps being delayed. So if I don't get it, I might have to run into Fargo and get some, because Allie at Little Hill Homestead has a recipe on how to make Dr. Pepper naturally. So I was gonna try to make that syrup and add it to my water kefir and make a probiotic Dr. Pepper. So stay tuned for a future upcoming video for that. Let's get into it. This is water kefir. It's a fermented probiotic drink that feeds the good bacteria when we're dealing with anxiety or chronic fatigue. Our gut health is often the first thing that takes a hit. By making this at home, and here I'll show you the plain. So if you see there's water kefir grains on the bottom, I bought some starting ones on Etsy. They're just, you can buy freeze-dried ones that might be a little cheaper, but I just wanted to make sure they were alive, and that was just me. And I had some, but then with my house and storm and everything, they got ruined. So what happens is these grow because they feed on, I put some organic cane sugar in here, just a little bit, like a tablespoon or two, and it feeds those grains so they eat the sugar. So this is technically sugar-free. And then these grow. So as I get more and more, I like to share them with, other friends and stuff. Or I'm also going to try to freeze dry them, because then I can have them for future so I don't have to continually order them every year. This is my summer drink of choice. Then after about 24 to 48 hours, that is done. That's it. All it is water with the sugar and the kefir grains. Then what I do is I do a second fermentation. Right now I'm just using 100% Welch's grape juice, nothing fabulous, because I have so many grapes coming in this year, and when they come in, I'm going to use my own grapes. But this is it. So then I put the grape juice in here, however much I want. I do it like this because I like it pretty grape flavored. And then I let it ferment again for 24 to 48 hours till it's just bubbly like a soda. And then I put it in my fridge and I pour it over ice, and this has been my drink of choice. It's amazing, it's delicious, and like I said, I will try some other flavors in the future, so watch for that. And also, by making this at home, you're nurturing your microbiome. It's what I call true kitchen pharmacy. It's not just hydration, it's support. I love other, things for my gut too, like I make the homemade yogurt. I show that in videos. I like to make a homemade sauerkraut, so when my cabbage comes in, I'll be doing that. So these are also other things that just feed that good bacteria and that gut health. And let me tell you, that is where the healing begins. Your stomach is your second brain, and they talk to each other continually. So if some of you don't like yogurt or sauerkraut, or I do a lot of other fermented foods too. I pickle green beans and carrots, ginger carrots, but this is probably the easiest, fastest way to get amazing benefits. I'm going to show you how I make it. I have it in other videos too, but so many of you have been asking, and it's just so simple. By taking those active kefir grains, putting them in a jar, filling them with water, a little bit of organic sugar, and 24 to 48 hours, Boom. Then the magic, the second fermate. I added 100% Concord grape juice. Seal the bottle lightly. I don't seal it tight, but before I had the plastic lids, I used to just put like a towel with a rubber binder around it, and that's it. Inexpensive. It's sustainable, and honestly, it's fun and delicious. If you need a low pressure task to help you feel like you're winning at adulting today, start here. My Kitchen Cure app has my full breakdown of how to integrate this into your daily flow. Link will be in the description, as well as the Humble Healing app and my two new books that are both on Amazon: the Nervous System Kitchen First Aid Kit and the Cortisol Detox Kitchen Guide. So you can find those on Amazon, and they're easily available. All the links will be below. That's it. Inexpensive, it's sustainable, and honestly, it's fun. So here is how I make it. So many of you have asked about my water kefir. This one I made with grape juice. It's grape, this and this as well. So I am going to have a glass this morning, my morning probiotics, and I will show you how I make it. It tastes like delicious grape soda. This one is ready to go to its second ferment. I will show you how I do that. I'm gonna make more grape because I haven't gotten my fresh ginger yet. When I get that, I'm gonna try the Dr. Pepper recipe from Al and try to make a probiotic Dr. Pepper. So I'll let you know how that goes, but let me get a new jar for this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is show you how I strain them. So I just use a little wire mesh with my strainer. I put that like so. Then I'm going to take my water kefir that's ready and dump it into the new jar. This is the one that I'm going to do a second ferment on. I usually do this over the sink and much more carefully, but trying to show you is not that way. All right, let's see if I can do it this way here. It's a little less. Okay, so here we go. And I have the kefir grains here, or kefir, and I'm gonna put those back into my original jar. And then this one, I'm just gonna add 100% Welch's grape juice until my grapes are ready, because I have lots of them coming. They're just very green and not ripe. So I'll put that in there. And then I literally just put this loosely on the top. And now I'm gonna let it ferment for another 24 to 48 hours. And once that is done, I get this amazing, you see how fuzzy it is from the probiotics? It literally tastes like grape soda. So good. Great, healthy, natural probiotic soda for pennies on. So now here's how I start mine. You all wanted to see how easy it is, so I'm showing you. So these kefir grains, I had some from the past, but I lost them during my house stuff and storms. So these I got on Etsy. I know they have them on Amazon too, but I got those live grains on Etsy, and then while I continue to make it, they're gonna continue to grow, and I'll get more and more and more, and then I'm gonna share them with my friends. Here we go. I'm gonna put the water in, just some filtered water, and I just have it this way since I'm showing you. So there we go. And then for the grains to feed on, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of pure organic cane sugar. Now, I know some of you think sugar, but the grains actually eat the sugar. So this technically is really sugar-free. And then just for my own health benefits, this is optional. The reason why mine is brown is because I put a little bit of black strap molasses in there. Just for the extra, just literally, like just I dip the spoon and put it in there. Just for the extra nutrients and for the extra minerals that come from that. So that's what I do. Then I just put a loose lid on it and there we go. It sits and it will be done. Now this one I'm going to put in my fridge. I'm going to close it, not too, because we don't want it to explode. And then this one I'm going to drink today. So that is how I make my water kefir. Super easy, super delicious, super healthy. And you know how I like my summer drinks. So cheers. Try it out. Come back and tell me in the comments what flavor soda you're going to try first. Remember to give this a like and a share to those who you know would benefit from these helpful hints. Thanks so much. Be blessed. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.